kitties out now? No.
All right, this is a realistic situation. You got the stress of everything coming down. All right, what are we using today?
Oh, bad idea.
Yes, don't put, you can take your finger out of the trigger.
Most effective major.
This right here. This pepper enforcement, the foam 4-ounce spray can. We're testing that out today. The tester will be my little sister, just to show that everybody can use this, even her. All right, this will be what she's aiming at. I'll back up just a little bit. We'll get a good of the overspray. There's cats everywhere. All right, a 1 Mississippi burst. Go. All right, give it a little bit more than that. All right. Oh, 2 sprays and a heavy wind. You all right? Yeah. Okay. I'm kind of feeling it too. But that's the sort of the spray pattern. She was, I'd say, about 6 to 7 feet away from the tree. And she seems to be all right now. So this is just a test of the foam spray. All right, I'm out.